Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my honor to announce the arrival of followed by the national anthem of Republic of Kenya. Kiaria hindi ya gukunguira mambura ma 77 ma wiyathi wa bururi wa India ubaruthi-ini wa bururi wa India mwena wa muthaiga guku Nairobi, MINISTA MUNENE MUSALIA MUDAVADI ni ugite bururi wa Kenya na India no meguthie na mbere na kunyitanira na kumatia ndugu yao maundu-ini matiganite ma gukuria mabururi maya meri.
Both countries continue to collaborate on international candidatures. We also jointly advocate for reforms of the UN Security Council, the international financial architecture, and climate change mitigation for the benefit of all nations. The bonds of friendship continue to grow stronger for the shared prosperity of our peoples.
MUSALIA oho ni ugite bururi wa India ni uteithiririe Kenya gukura maundu-ini matiganite ari hamwe na sekta ya ukinyaniria niyo ICT kuheana mathomo kuri aruti a wira thirikari rungu rwa tabarira ya ITEC.
Kenya's skill development through training slots for civil servants under the Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation ITEC program, as well as scholarships for Kenyan students under the Indian Council for Cultural Relation program.
Kurumiriro Kenya ni hotete gukorwo na andu mari gatu aria mathomeire university-ini cia India ari hamwe na mawakiri, arigitani, mainjinia, athathauria maundu matiganite hamwe na athomi.
In recognition of the long-standing Kenya-Indian relationship, Kenyans of Indian origin were formally recognized in July 2027 as Kenya's 44th tribe.
Recognized now as Kenya's 44th tribe, they have contributed for over a century to building of Kenya's economy, its education system, its healthcare sector, and its philanthropic traditions. Whether in trade, industry, medicine, education, or social service.
Ihinda-ini riu baruthi wa bururi wa India guku bururi-ini Adash Swaika ni ugite ni mahotete gukinyaniria ciraniro ciao kuringana na gatiba ya bururi ucio.
Friends, at the heart of this remarkable partnership lies Kenya's vibrant Indian diaspora. From 5th and 6th generation Indian Kenyans to Indians who came in recent past. These people are not merely visitors or guests, but an integral part of this nation's story.
Swaika ni ugite no meguthie na mbere na guthimindira ndugu yao na bururi wa Kenya niguo kugacirithia tabarira itiganite.
The alignment between our development journeys offers a powerful basis for this partnership. Together, we can create growth that is inclusive, sustainable, and people-oriented.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.